bins in Tableau. So bins in Tableau are basically a, a container that stores data of equal size fitting in bin size. Bin groups data into equal intervals. Groups or size between a systematically a distribution of data. So we have imported NFL offensive players .xlsx Microsoft Excel file using Microsoft Excel option present in Tableau. Now we'll be using 1999 to 2013 datasheet in Excel file for our visualization. We move on to sheet number one. Now the conditions measure, we right click on this measure and we create a so the default value of 1, we create the bin with the name college in this bin. Now we convert this bin from dimension to measure, that is we convert it to continuous value. Alright, now we drag the college bins bin from the column shell. Alright, we now drag college bins measure onto the rows shell. Alright, by right clicking on it, we change the measure of college bins from sum to count. Alright, we change the title of the visualization as bin tab. So now this is a visualization containing bins in Tableau. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.